I'm Loo McNulty, an illustrator and surface pattern designer living in Collingwood, Ontario. I create whimsical artwork for licensing, and I'm also the founder of Happy Just Happy, a purpose-driven stationery brand that raises money and awareness for youth mental health. My work has been featured on everything from lunch bags to greeting cards, diapers, and puzzles. My style has been described as bright, playful, and joy-infused. My methods are simple and straightforward. Using pens and pencils on plain white paper, I doodle and create imaginary worlds. From those early sketches, I complete art on my iMac using Adobe Illustrator to color and move my drawings into a composition or a repeat pattern. I love what I do, and I'm incredibly grateful for all the wonderful opportunities my work has given me. Today I'm going to show you how I like to draw flowers. We'll start with simple shapes, circles, half circles, ovals. I usually start with the big shapes first and then add in any smaller details. There really is no limit to the materials you choose: markers, watercolors, pastels. But if you start with a pencil, you can always use that as a guide that you can erase after the fact. Tulips, the iconic flower of spring. Starting with the petals, I like to keep my pencil on the paper and move slowly, making an oval-like shape, and then another on this side, and then one at the back. With the stem, I draw 2 straight lines. The leaves are usually big and droopy, so you can be playful here. And there's my tulip. Another spring favorite of mine are cherry blossoms. They're a fun flower to draw, lots of room for messy lines and loose shapes. First I'll draw the outer flower, and then I'll add this freeform shape in the center. Cherry blossoms appear on trees, so I'll draw a branch next. And then another blossom here. Being sure to add a branch. And now a small bud to complete the drawing. And finally, the daisy, one of my all-time favorite flowers. Like before, I'll start with the center circle and then begin to draw the many petals from the center out, like this. Again, keeping it loose and moving my pencil slowly across the page. And now the stem. And a few leaves to complete the drawing. Once you feel comfortable drawing these flowers, you can work on creating arrangements like this in a planter or vase. You can also draw them scattered across your page, like this. Adding color to your drawings is lots of fun. You can use markers, pencil crayons, pastels, or paints, whatever you most enjoy. If you want to make a card, you can either draw directly onto an already folded card. I recommend cardstock for its weight and durability. Or you can take your drawings, cut them out, and then place them on your card. Something like this. No matter what you choose to draw, you will soon realize that everything is made up of lines, shapes, and patterns. It's up to you to decide where you go from here, but remember, everyone is creative, and there are a million ways to draw a flower. I hope you enjoyed this little snapshot of drawing flowers, and I hope you continue to find the fun wherever you go. Thanks for joining me.